You're right, to really crank get some fuel up there.
You have it unplugged, right? I have it cranked unplugged. Distributor's on. Well, I didn't hear no fire in that.
We'll flip it. Try it.
Oh, okay, so bottom's distributor.
Well, it's Thursday. Hauser's over there putting fuel lines, power steering lines in. It's like a bomb went off here. Got the truck and trailer in. Everything's moved out here. Doug is working on the pocket door. Again, he's got a strap to put on it now. Stick around and see what else is going on. Gonna fire her off today?
Planning on it here.
Hell, it's Saturday afternoon. I worked this morning. Just got out here. They've got her in, ready to fire up. Our new full-time tire guy's here.
Very full-time, part-time.
Well, I know your commute to here absolutely sucks.
Yeah, it does.
It's worse than mine.
Yeah.
Getting tires done up. And they're all buttoned up and ready for Makokata next week.
But I feel like
It's 16th or 8th.
I think it's at 8, ain't it?
Getting ready to fire her off.
You're right, to really crank get some fuel up there.
You have it unplugged, right? I have it cranked unplugged. Distributor's on. Well, I didn't hear no fire in that.
We'll flip it. Try it.
Oh, okay, so bottom's distributor. Yeah, I haven't seen it flipped it.
I doubt if you're going to get it running.
Let me.
Yeah, here, you can get in there. I might get
I want to swing this one.
Let me get that fuel thing.
Yeah, but the whole system's dead.
Oh, yeah.
Empty.
Yeah, we'll have to do that.
You got a runny nose, kiddo. Sticker in the cockpit that says crank.
Alright.
It's going to be on this side. Please get it running. We know it's time. Shit, is that my phone?
I'm gonna lose that sucker again.
You good?
Yeah, should be. It's on.
You might
can
have to use it.
right.
Hey, Max. Oil pump. Oil pump. Oil PSI's like Max pegging the gauge.
Need to back it off 2 rounds.
Still really high.
Still really high? I'll do it. You may take another round out of it?
I mean, what did he say? What he wanted? Well, you want that around 80, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, at idle, right? I would think.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 90 at $3,000.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so it did go down.
It went down.
Yeah, just I go one more round, see what it does. We could creep up to it. You know, everything's cold,
I know,
so
yeah.
it's gonna be higher.
But once all the oil gets, you're probably just
True. With it being cold.
He said to start it
thicker,
to.
yeah. Once it warms up, it's gonna.
Come down some more.
Yeah.
Everything's so cold, so let it kind of creep up if you can.
I guess we better check the oil. I know we got oil. But...
I can't see this balancer mark at all.
She got 5 gallons in her.
I know.
Is this okay?
That's positive.
Jason, can you see it?
Oh, dude, it's everywhere.
Or to go down, or?
It's fucking everywhere under there.
It's not that far down.
So bad.
We're gonna have to
The
get
cap's right there if you.
It's everywhere.
You got some.
Transmission, that was a good transmission. You should put that one in there. It's leaking training fluid everywhere for red.
Shut the fuck up. I didn't put red in. I put brown.
Oil dry, kitty litter.
I can't believe it took 3 gallons.
With chunks.
Cause I guess the motor didn't have anything in it because they drained it.
We want to put the radio cap on or leave it off?
You can leave it off. I think you're okay. Till we get a little heat in it.
Here, say that. Yeah, barrel pure cool, right?
I think we got 2.5 cases.
Ready? You want to make sure it's coming out of the exhaust right there?
Oh, I'd suck on that header.
Ready?
Go ahead.
We're as ready as we're going to be.
Well, getting her loaded. Makoka will be here before you know it. Performing surgery on labels.
Got the electricians.
Scissors.
Wire up.
Somebody's home. Cooper's been a cutting full today.
Last one, so it's wrapping.
I shit my pants.
Thanks for the heads up.
That's really good.
Fuck that one that we just set outside. We might have had to drive that one in with a hammer. We never had to use it.
That one's as bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty bad too.
These do need to be pulled out and they need to be marked.
This one's twisted really bad too.
This one's got about the same amount of twist that one's got. Oh,
I mean, it's not the worst thing I ever seen.
It's worse than the first one you did. It ain't good by no means.
Fuck, you ain't got any axles.
yeah, we do. We got 2 new ones right
That's
there.
it. And we've bent them in hot laps
You want to
before.
put them in your yard?
Hey, what?
you wanna pull one of
Did
those
you just go through all of them? Here.
No, not.
Those are brand new.
Mark.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Also not, bro. Just put them up in here.
You can't see everything from the top of the shed. I did the other night. I came out and there was 5 dicking around in the field.
Like, that's really cool, like looking at them beasts.
Yep. They came
Anybody ever seen anything like this?
like in this.
I'm a fucking human being, you dick. It's the dueling fucking
Dueling impacts.
impact. Double the torque. Gotta be.
You gotta change them both at the same time or it don't work.